Cameras rolling. 3, 2, 1.
Hey everyone, and welcome to the Nicolai Bergmann flower store here in Seoul. We are at the Four Seasons Hotel, and right now I am starting on a spring arrangement which is going to go into the lobby. So this morning I went to the flower market here in Seoul to search for the flowers for this arrangement and for the theme of the spring flowers. I think there's a great lineup of roses here. I found that was sort of really what struck me today, that I thought that was really interesting. Beautiful color lineup. Each market for sure has its own thing. To create this feeling of spring, I have chosen different materials. Some are very sort of airy and very sort of fine, like the coral berries here and the euphorbia. Also chosen delicate dahlia, which I really fell for because they had this beautiful color that they had, and was perfect with the theme that I have chosen for today. Nicolai Bergmann store here at the Four Seasons Hotel has been there since the very beginning, and we just started our 4th year. It is on a very beautiful location just near the palace here in the center of Seoul. We are working in different areas. Right now you're inside the flower store, and we also do everything with public areas. We are divided in two, so we have a big flower room within the hotel, where we make a lot of the bigger things that are happening. So everything you see walking through the hotel here is a product of our teams working here. I am very excited always to come here to Seoul and work at the Four Seasons Hotel. I work with Four Seasons Hotel in many different locations, and I really enjoy the whole concept of the hotel, the hospitality, and I really think that my flowers suit the hotel very much, and I'm very proud to have my flowers in the different locations. We are about to be done with this, so let's go and see how this will look in the lobby. So I do design my flowers differently when I work for a hotel. So there needs to be several layers of a display. There needs to be when you are far apart and look in, and also when you get up close, there needs to be something that can catch your eye, some sort of effect together with the flowers. So there's a lot of thought going into how the lobby is being displayed, or how flowers are throughout the hotel.